Hi, Jamie here again with Fastline Auctions. I'm waiting on Auction Albert for the list on the featured items for July the 15th. This auction is on July the 15th, and we have a 2023 New Holland CR 10.90 combine. It has 332 hours on its engine and only 244 separator hours. On top of that, we have lot 168. This is a 2017 Ford F55 bucket truck. We have a lot of bucket trucks. This is only one of them, and it has under 100,000 miles, and its starting bid is only $14,000. That's crazy. We also have lot 54, which is, it's an oldie, but it's a goodie, a 2007 John Deere 4320 mid-size tractor with an enclosed cab. There are a lot more items than this on our website. You'll have to check it out. Make sure you follow to keep up to date on all the future auctions. Until next time, see ya.